Hey everyone, it's Michelle from the Stamp Doctor. I just wanted to give you a quick preview of what we'll be making for the Christmas in July show. That's with one-of-a-kind virtual events there. And we will be making 3 different projects with a Pop-A-Top die. So we will be making a side pop card and a Pop-A-Top tall card. Ignore my piece there, yours won't have that. And then we'll be having a candy bar we'll be making as well. We'll be using ephemera packs, some paper packs. We'll be using all kinds of fun stuff. And that's all done with Pop-A-Top 18. Now the die is not included in the kit because some people might already have it and I didn't want to send them duplicates. So this will be available for purchase separately, but you will get everything you need except for adhesive and any glitter you might want to add. So I'll detail in another YouTube video exactly what items you might want to add or have on hand. And I'll show you some other things that you can do with the Pop-A-Top, and there are several different Pop-A-Tops. You will be getting a stitched thank you die set in your kit. The kit is $18 and it is free shipping. And just go to my YouTube channel, YouTube/The Stamp Doctor, and you'll be able to see all of the additional videos that I put out on how to use the Pop-A-Tops, and I'll give a more detailed version on exactly what we're doing with this kit. But this is just a quick trailer, a quick preview. So I hope you'll be joining us on July 11th for the one-of-a-kind virtual event. Have a fabulous day. Bye-bye.